Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel that will state there was a problem with the clipboard. So you will encounter this kind of error when you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to try or to close any Excel instances on our Windows. But before you can close any Excel processes is you need to make sure that you have saved all your documents or the spreadsheet that you have on the Microsoft Excel, and then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr, which stands for task manager, and then simply click on that under the best match. Now maximize this, then here in the search bar type Excel. You'll find Microsoft Excel. So what you can do, make a right click and then you have to select this End Task option. And by clicking the End Task option, that will completely close any Excel instances or processes on your Windows. And after that, you just need to open Microsoft Excel again and see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can reset or like restart. Sorry for that. It's restart. The correct word is restart the Microsoft Excel. So when we are going to restart is that while you are on your Microsoft Excel, you just have to simply click on this close icon at the top right corner. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. And by opening it again, that will restart the Microsoft Excel. In some cases, restarting it could be very simple, but it can help. So try to restart on your Microsoft Excel too. For the next method is we can also use the Open and Repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel. So for that, you just have to click on this File tab at the top left corner. Then you'll find this Open option, which is the third option there. Click on Browse. Then here you have to click on your book or your spreadsheet, and then you have to click on this drop down arrow next to open, and you'll find this option open and repair. And you just have to simply click on this repair button and wait for the process to be done. And for the next method is we can also disable the Excel add-ins, because in some cases add-ins can also cause issues on your Microsoft Excel. So click on the File tab again at the top left corner. Then you have to click on this More, click on Options. Then here you'll find add-ins, and then you have to simply click on this drop-down arrow next to Manage and then choose Excel add-ins. Click on Go, and then you'll find the add-ins here. Just make sure to uncheck these boxes or do not check these boxes to disable the Excel add-ins and click on OK. And for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history of our Windows. So for that, you just need to simply press the shortcut, which is the Windows key and the letter V key together. And here you just need to simply click on this Clear All option, and that will clear the clipboard history. So you'll see your clipboard history here once you've copied something. So after that, you just need to again open your spreadsheet or your book in the Microsoft Excel and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.